Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful yet underrated natural remedy, dandelion root. You might think of dandelions as just pesky weeds, but their roots are packed with incredible health benefits. Let's explore where dandelion root comes from, how people discovered its benefits, and the best ways to use it. Where does dandelion root come from? Dandelions, Taraxacum officinale, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine across China, Europe, and North America. Herbalists in ancient times noticed that animals often ate dandelions when they weren't feeling well, which led people to investigate their medicinal properties. Over time, scientific research confirmed many of the traditional uses of dandelion root. 10. Health benefits of dandelion root. 1. Supports liver health. Dandelion root helps detoxify the liver and supports bile production, which aids digestion. 2. Aids digestion. It can relieve bloating, stimulate appetite, and improve gut health. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Packed with powerful antioxidants that protect against free radical damage. 4. Supports kidney function. Acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush excess water and toxins. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Studies suggest dandelion root may help improve insulin sensitivity. 6. Boosts immune system. Contains vitamins and minerals that enhance immune function. 7. Reduces inflammation. Helps soothe joint pain and inflammation in conditions like arthritis. 8. Supports healthy skin. Detoxifies the body, which can help with acne and eczema. 9. May help with weight management. Aids digestion and metabolism, which may support weight loss. 10. Promotes heart health. Helps regulate cholesterol and blood pressure levels. How to eat or take dandelion root. There are several ways to enjoy dandelion root's benefits. Tea. Steep dried dandelion root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. It has a slightly bitter, earthy flavor. Capsules. A convenient way to take dandelion root daily without the taste. Tinctures, liquid extracts are great for fast absorption. Roasted root coffee. A caffeine-free coffee alternative with a rich, nutty flavor. Can you grow dandelion root at home? Absolutely! Dandelions are super easy to grow. Plant seeds in a pot or garden bed with well-draining soil. They grow best in full sun, but can tolerate some shade. Harvest the roots in the fall when they are most potent. This is after the seed pods have blown off. They are great for medicinal uses. However, if you're harvesting dandelion leaves, the best time is early spring, when the yellow flowers first appear, as the leaves are more tender and less bitter then. And there you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of dandelion root and how to use it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried dandelion root. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Bye for now. See you at the next video.